Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a fantastic new update on Instagram that allows you to engage your followers more effectively by encouraging them to reply to your stories directly from your PC. Let's walk through the steps together so you can maximize your interaction with your audience. First, open Instagram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features available. Once you're in, look for the More icon located on the left side of the menu. This icon typically appears as 3 horizontal dots or a similar symbol, depending on your layout. After clicking on the More icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can adjust various preferences related to your account and interactions. Once in Settings, navigate to Message and Story Replies. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage how your followers can respond to your stories. Next, click on Story Replies. This option lets you customize who can reply to your stories, which is essential for fostering engagement. Here, you'll see several choices regarding who can interact with your content. Finally, choose your followers. By selecting this option, you enable the followers of your account to reply directly to your stories. This not only enhances interaction, but also creates a more community-driven atmosphere on your profile. By following these simple steps, you can effectively encourage your followers to engage with your stories on Instagram from the comfort of your PC. Remember, increased interaction leads to a more vibrant online presence and keeps your content fresh and exciting. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to implement these steps and watch how your follower engagement improves. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your social media experience.